Hello everyone, welcome to Formfully channel. By seeing the thumbnail, you got an idea that today we are going to see the AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals dumps, which will help you prepare for the AZ-900 exam. So let's get started with the first MCQ. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. In a region pair, a region is paired with another region in the same dash availability zone, data center, geography, or resource group. And the correct option is geography, as each Azure region is always paired with another region within the same geography. So, like example, US, Europe, or Asia, at least 300 miles away. To deeply understand this topic, you can visit the Microsoft site. The topic is describe the core architecture component of Azure. So, like this, I'm going to mention the topics which will be related to that particular MCQ. Question 2. Which are two common scenarios for using resource tags? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Select all answers that apply. Options are associating cost with different environments, B. Categorizing cost by department, C. Identifying lower cost region, D. Resizing underutilized virtual machines, and the correct options are A and B. You can use tags to categorize cost by department, such as human resource, marketing, or finance, or by environment, such as test or production. Other two options, resizing underutilized virtual machine is a good cost saving measure, and option C, provisioning resource in lower cost region is a good practice, but resource tag do not support them. Topic to visit on Microsoft site is describe cost management in Azure. You plan to build a new solution in Azure that will use platform as a service products. What should you use to estimate the monthly cost? Select only one answer. Options are Azure Advisor, Azure Cost Management, Azure Pricing Calculator, or a total cost of ownership calculator. And the correct option is Azure Pricing Calculator. Azure Pricing Calculator allows you to estimate and configure according to your specific requirements. You will then receive a consolidated estimate price and a detailed breakdown of the cost associated with each resource you added to your solution. Topic to visit, describe cost management in Azure. Question 4. You need to associate the cost of resources to different groups within an organization without changing the location of the resources. What should you use? Select only one answer. Options are administrative units, resource groups, resource tags, subscriptions. And the correct option is C, resource tags. Resource tags can be used to group billing data and categorize cost by runtime environment, such as billing usage for virtual machines running in a production environment. Topic to visit on Microsoft site is tag resources, resource groups, and subscription for logical organization, and describe the purpose of tags. Question 5. Your organization plan to deploy several production virtual machines that will have consistent resource usage throughout the year. What can you use to minimize the cost of virtual machine without reducing the functionality of the virtual machines? Select only one answer. Options are Azure Monitor Alerts, Azure Reservations, Spending Limits. And the correct option is B, Azure Reservations. Azure Reservations offer discount prices on certain Azure services. To receive a discount, you can reserve services and resources by paying in advance. Spending limits can suspend a subscription when the speed limit is reached. So, correct option is B. Topic to visit, describe cost management in Azure. Question 6. What can be applied to a resource to prevent accidental deletion? Select only one answer. Options are a resource log, a resource tag, a policy, or an Azure reservation. And the correct option is a resource log. A resource log prevents resources from being accidentally deleted or changed. The other option, resource tags, offers a custom grouping of resources. The policies enforce different rules across all resource configuration. so that the configurations stay compliant with the corporate standards. So the correct option is resource log. Topic to visit on Microsoft site is describe features and tools in Azure for governance and compliance. Question 7. What can you use to ensure that new and existing Azure resources stay in compliance with corporate standards? Select only one answer. Options are Azure Advisor, Azure Policy, Resource Logs, or Resource Tag. And the correct option is Azure Policy. Azure Policy is a service in Azure that enables you to create, assign, and manage policies that control or audit resources. These policies enforce different rules across all resource configuration so that the configurations stay compliant with corporate standards. Topic to visit again, the describe features and tools in Azure for governance and compliance. Question 8. You need to recommend a solution for Azure virtual machine deployments. The solution must enforce company standards on virtual machine. What should you include in recommendation? Select only one answer. Options are Microsoft Intune Compliance Policy. Option B, Azure Cost Management. C, Azure Lock. D, Azure Policy. And the correct option is Azure Policy. Azure Policy will allow you to enforce company standards on virtual machines when combined with Azure VM Image Builder and Azure Compute Gallery. By using Azure Policy and role-based access control assignments, enterprises can enforce standards on Azure resources. Same topic, you need to visit for this MCQ. Question 9. Which two actions can be performed by using Azure Portal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Select all answers that apply. Option A, change the availability zone of a virtual machine. Option B, create new resources. Option C, assign deny permission on a resource group. Option D, create Microsoft extra user. And the correct options are B and D. The Azure portal provides a graphical user interface to view all the services you are using, create new services, configure your services, and view reports. To deeply understand this topic, you can visit the topic describe features and tools in Azure for governance and compliance on Microsoft site. Question 10. What can you use to define the resources you want to provision in a declarative JSON format? Select only one answer. Options are Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, Azure Repos, Azure Resource Manager templates. And the correct option is D, Azure Resource Manager templates. By using the ARM templates, you can describe the resources you want to use in a declarative JSON format. Topic to visit on Microsoft site is describe features and tools for managing and deploying Azure resources. Question 11. What can you use to create resources in Azure and include a validation step to ensure all resources are created in a specific order based on dependencies, in parallel, and idempotent? Select only one answer. Options are Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, Azure REST API, and Azure Resource Manager templates. And the correct option is Azure Resource Manager templates. The ARM templates define an application's infrastructure requirements for a repeatable deployment that is done in a consistent manner. A validation step ensures that all resources can be created in a proper order based on dependencies, in parallel, and idempotent. Question 12. Which two tools can you use to create a new Azure virtual machine from a mobile device that runs Android? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Select all answers that apply. Options are PowerShell in Azure Cloud Shell, B, Remote Desktop, C, SSH, D, the Azure Portal. And the correct options are A and D. The Azure portal can run on devices that have the Android operating system installed. The browser can be any type, such as Internet Explorer 11, Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. When you visit the portal, you will see Cloud Shell. Users can then access Bash and PowerShell from within Cloud Shell. You can use Bash and PowerShell to create Azure virtual machines. Then topic to visit on Microsoft sites are describe features and tools for managing and deploying Azure resources, Connect to Azure Virtual Desktop with the remote desktop client for Android and Chrome OS, Azure Virtual Desktop. Question 13. What provides recommendations to reduce the cost of Azure resources? Select only one answer. Options are Azure Advisor, Azure Dashboard, Azure Service Health, Microsoft Defender for Cloud, and the correct option is Azure Advisor. Azure Advisor analyzes the account usage and makes recommendation based on its set and configured rules. Topic to visit, describe monitoring tools in Azure. Question 14. You have a team of Linux administrators that need to manage the resources in Azure. The team wants to use the bash shell to perform the administration. What should you recommend? Select only one answer. Options are Azure Blueprint, Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, Azure Resource Manager Template. And the correct option is Azure CLI. Azure CLI allows you to use the bash shell to perform administrative tasks. Bash is used in Linux environment, so a Linux administrator will probably be more comfortable performing command line administration from Azure CLI. Topic to visit, describe features and tools for managing and deploying Azure resources. Question 15. You need to review the root cause analysis report for a service outage that occurred last week. Where should you look for the report? Select only one answer. Options are Azure Advisor, Azure Monitor, Azure Service Health, or Log Analytics. And the correct option is C, Azure Service Health. After an outage, Service Health provider official incident reports called root cause analysis, which you can share with stakeholders. Topic to visit, describe monitoring tools in Azure. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.